Come and see this wonderful condominium available as a seasonal rental. Super spacious, the unit has an eat-in kitchen, bar, extra-large living room and a huge covered and screened patio. It has a convenient split floor plan, updated bathrooms, full-size washer and dryer and wood laminate flooring throughout. Pelican Harbour offers 24-hour security, tennis, a community pool, and picturesque streets along the intracoastal waterway and harobur. Conveniently located to shopping and dining, you are just a few short minutes drive from the beach and downtown Delray Beach and Boca Raton.